Hello everyone. Now we're going to move right on to WR2. And I've kept the WR2 ring simple because there's a lot of different platforms and it would get a little bit redundant if I tried to label each one of them. So let's just look at the overview for WR2. Remember that WR means web ring and 2 means layer 2. And it's past your WR1 money site, which we covered in the first video. And it's past the social web ring, which is your branded social web ring that includes everything from LinkedIn to Google Plus to Scoopit to Twitter. Okay, and now you're ready to start building platforms that I consider to be unbranded in most cases. We call this a WR2 property network. And I don't want to use the word auto blogging, but I do have auto blogs on that network and they do very, very well for me. And there've never been a problem when you set them up in the way that we recommend. So you need to decide if a WR2 auto blog network is appropriate for your market and your business model. It's ideal to create them on unique IP addresses. Consider building auto blogs. Make sure that you know what you are doing. Make sure you use your epic keyword DNA created in Kraken and the Domain Web Studio. Okay, these are all the amazing softwares that we offer. Consider building automated video blogs. This is my favorite method of driving massive traffic inward back towards your money sites, which is ground zero for your transaction as well as your content. Consider building an informational media wiki glossary platform on this outside ring. That's one way that you could optimize your WR2. Consider building your own forum platforms, Joomla and Drupal sites. We have all of these unnumbered items are referring to some of those. We have a Drupal or Joomla site. We have a WP video auto blog. I cover a little bit about what that is here. Give an example of one. Drupal or Joomla. Here's a forum platform. So you can see that these icons, I've given different icons representing various platforms. And then 12 is your overview. Consider purchasing your own done-for-you one web ring network. As you know, we can do this entire process for you. That's available for sale. And you can, of course, click on the what to buy when function, go to the main Network Empire sales page. So WR2 area is my favorite. I manage my WR2 blogs with very specific software. We have 2 or 3 very secret applications that we use that we reveal to Network Empire certification, ThemeZoom certification members. And this should give you a little idea of what we recommend on the various web rings. Hopefully you're familiar with Drupal and Joomla. They're both platforms that are siloable, and you can use them to automate your empire as well. It's good to have a diversified platform portfolio on your WR2. In this way, you're driving a lot of backlinks, and it's completely safe when you understand what you're doing. We do recommend that you get some training on this. Otherwise, you end up buying link juice and inbound links from services like Text Link Brokers or Link Emperor and the rest, and essentially all they're doing is what we're doing here. We're just showing you how to do it. And you don't own those platforms like Link Emperor and the rest do. You're just going to be paying them forever. And so we want you to learn how to do it yourself, because this is the effect that you want. Okay, let me just go ahead and get rid of some of these for a second. Okay, so one of the main purposes of building this platform is to drive both traffic and page rank back into your WR1 platforms. And the green arrow, as you probably remember, represents page rank. You want to put some of that link flow back towards your central sites so that they get ranked higher on the search engines. When you're thinking page rank, you're thinking highly indexed search, high ranking indexed search engine results from all the pages that you're generating out here, giving you some link juice, okay? And you will get some traffic off that as well, which we represent as blue arrows when we're talking. Okay, so you're going to also see some traffic coming in. And you should see an increase of traffic as your page rank increases as well. Okay, so that should give you an idea. Green is page rank and blue is traffic. Now, we're trying to create a buoyant effect so that these properties rank the highest. You want your WR1 to rank highest on the search engine. You will get some residual traffic, especially from your video. I can vouch for the video and the forums. You get a lot of traffic from video sites and forums. Part of the reason that video sites do so well is that there's a lot of time on site, the bounce rate is fairly low, and everybody loves video. At least right now, they're working really, really well. And I've represented video as these little squares. Okay. And then we only reveal the video automation stuff at the private theme zoom certification events because it's that powerful. All right, now we've completed the WR2 property network. This is a key component driving even more page rank traffic and page rank buoyancy to your primary call to action and the transaction that occurs on your money site. All right, in the next video, we're going to talk about some minor details, but some very important stuff that we don't really reveal outside of the live certification events pretty much, but we are creating an advanced online university style advanced certification video series following some of the events that we're having in 2013, and you'll be able to learn more. I am going to give you a video covering this ring. We're going to briefly cover the Twitter army, Pinterest army, and the automated Facebook fan page concept. I'll see you on the next video.